Lim, your weather reporter. Right now, I am here at Taguig City at 8 o'clock a.m. The weather is sunny with a temperature of 35 degrees Celsius. In this weather, Pag-asa advises us to wear light clothes and put on sunscreen. From the month of April to May, the weather pattern is mostly sunny and less cloudy. We are currently in a summer season. Because of this weather, the natural environment is affected. Here are some examples. High temperatures can damage plants. High temperatures can cause bad air quality. Humans can get sick from heat. Given these effects, here are ways to take care of our environment. We can plant trees. We can use energy-saving appliances. We can use bikes instead of cars. For the next month, the weather patterns will mostly be rainy. This has been your weather reporter, Jasmine Lim. Keep safe, everyone.